Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions on the products that I recently got from ULTA. Just in case you missed it, I did do a haul video sharing all of these products. It was part of my Christmas present from my husband, so I'll link that video down below in the description box in case y'all want to check that out next. But I have not used any of these products yet because I wanted y'all to get my real live first impressions. So if you want to see what I think about these products, then just keep watching. I only have 6 products to use today, and it's not everything for a full face, so I'm just going to use them within my routine. There are 2 products that I got that I'm not going to be using today. One is an Hourglass bronzer because it is too light for me, so I need to exchange it. Not sure when I'm going to be able to do that because I don't think any of my local Ultas have Hourglass, or at least they don't the bronzers. And I can't exchange by mail-in. I can only return it, and I really want to exchange because I used a coupon and then I would lose that money off. But anyways, the other product is this moisturizer, and the reason I'm not using this is because I'm going to be using the Glow Primer and I'm using a hydrating foundation. So I don't want it to be too glowy and dewy because I would probably look like a big grease ball. So that is what I'm going to start off with, this Touch of Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. I'm actually really excited about this. And to be honest, I usually don't use primers. I don't really have a rhyme or reason, I just don't. But if this one is good, I might start using it. I'm a sucker for anything that says glow on it. Might have used too much, I don't know. Okay, so first impression so far of this primer, it does feel kind of sticky, but that might help the foundation to stick and stay longer. It smells really good. It doesn't actually look too glowy. It just gives like a really healthy glow. It was easy to blend in. So yeah, so far so good. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my normal foundation, which is the Tarte Foundsealer, and I'm going to apply it just like normal. So it's hard to tell with this foundation if it made me more dewy because this is a hydrating foundation. So I may need to try it with a matte one to see if it makes a matte foundation more dewy, because I'm honestly not a fan of matte foundations, but I do have the Estee Lauder Double Wear, so I could try it with that, and that would solve my problems because then it would make a matte foundation more dewy. Okay, so now that I have my foundation on, I'm going to go in with my next product that I got, and it is the Milani Supercharged Brightening Under Eye Tint. So it is like an under eye corrector, and I don't know if this is new or I just haven't paid attention because I normally use the Tarte CC Under Eye Corrector, which is my all-time favorite under eye corrector, but I'm going to give this one a try. I got the shade Peach, which I believe is the middle shade. And I'm just going to use my finger to tap it in. So it says it has hyaluronic acid, caffeine, and color correcting pigments. It corrects dark circles of light to medium skin tones. Wear alone or underneath concealer. So my dark circles are so bad that I definitely could not use it alone. Okay, so I don't know. I'm going to wait before I give y'all my final opinion until I use my concealer too. It does look like it kind of brightens, but like I said, where my dark circles are so dark, I feel like it kind of just highlights them. So I don't know that it really is correcting. Unless I need to use some more. I don't know. It's pretty thin. Maybe I need to use a brush. Okay, I don't know how I feel about this product, but I'm going to wait and hold my judgment until I use my concealer and see if it helps with my concealer. I feel like it did brighten my under eyes, and I feel like this product would be better for somebody who doesn't have dark circles like I do. But once again, I'm going to try my concealer and see if it helps to like brighten underneath my concealer. And this also might be a good product if you have Shape Tape and it's a little drying on you but you love it, since it's creamy and has hyaluronic acid in it. That way it will keep your under eyes hydrated. Okay, so I feel like it is still brightening underneath my concealer. So I don't know, I might actually like this product. I don't know, I feel like it still kind of highlights my dark circles. So the next product I have to try is a highlighter, but I always do my highlighter after my bronzer and blush, so I'm going to go ahead and apply that. For bronzer, I'm going to use my new favorite, which is the Gucci bronzer, and then for blush, I'm going to use Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Sensual. Okay, so the highlighter I got to try is an 001 in the shade Rodeo Drive, which is a really pretty gold color. So this product is not new. It has been around for a while, but I just haven't got it, but I've wanted it for a while. Finally got it, and I cannot wait to try it because I've heard really good things about their highlighters. Oh, yes. Look at that. Love it. This might be my favorite product so far out of everything I've used. I have actually been really excited to try this next product. It is the Tarte Big Ego DIY Brow Detailing Pen, and this is a newer product. Here is what the packaging looks like, and then here is what the product looks like, and then the tip. So it looks like it's kind of a brush. So I'm a little nervous to try this, but it looks like it's not super pigmented. It looks like it will be more on the natural side, which is a good thing with a pen, because if it was super runny and pigmented, that could be not good. Okay. So once again, you are getting my real live first impression, real live first time using it. Okay, so far I am loving it. And I feel like pens really give your brows a microbladed look. So if you've been nervous about microblading, or if you don't want to get them microbladed, I definitely recommend getting a pen. So this one I'm really loving. And then I do also like the Benefit microfilling pen. If you have been watching my tutorials lately, you have seen me use that as well. The biggest difference between this one and the Benefit one, the Benefit one does have a little bit of space between theirs, where the Tarte one, which is the white one, is like a brush, and it's not really separated, if that makes sense. I will say with the Benefit, I like how it's separated because I feel like that gives it more of a hair-like look. But after the first time I used it, like the second and third and like every time now, I feel like there's not as much product as the first time I used it, if that makes sense. So it's not as dark as it was. So this is the first time using the Tarte one, but I don't know if y'all can hear that, but I feel like that will kind of mix up the product and make it last longer. And I feel like it's more product as well. So let me see if it says, okay, so yeah, it is more product. And I think they might be the same price. But I will list and link everything down below in the description bar if y'all want to check it out. So now I'm going to do the other brow. I really like this. So I'm going the direction of my brow hairs in the front. And then I'm turning it sideways to line the bottom. Now I'm doing the same thing up top to turning it sideways where I can line it and then just filling it in. There you go. Super quick, super easy. I really love this product. I didn't get any other products to try except for lip products. These are the last two I have to try out. They are both by Buxom, and they're also both the same color, White Russian, which is one of Buxom's more popular lip colors. One is a gloss, one is a lipstick. I think I have one other Buxom gloss, but to be honest, I'm not a big fan of plumping products for lips because I don't like the tingling effect. But these colors looked really pretty, and I couldn't decide if I wanted the gloss or the lipstick, but my husband said get both, so I got both. So I'm going to use them together, but I'm going to do the lipstick first and show y'all what it looks like by itself, and then I'm going to add the gloss. It says the lipstick is a plumping lipstick too, so I don't know if these tingle or not. I've never tried one of their lipsticks, but yeah, look at the color. I just thought it was a really pretty kind of pinky nude. Ooh. It is pretty pink. It's more pink than I thought. Oh, yep. It's starting to tingle. But it's not bad. It's kind of like a mint feeling, if that makes sense. Okay, so here's the lipstick by itself. It's a little bit more pink than I thought, but maybe the gloss will kind of tone it down some. So once again, same color, White Russian. This is just the gloss. This probably would have looked better if I would have used a lip scrub first. Okay. That did tone it down. It actually matches my shirt. I didn't do that on purpose. Now I'm going to go through and give y'all my final first impression on all the products I use, and I'll talk about them in the order I use them. So the first thing is this Touch of Soul primer. Once again, my foundation is a hydrating foundation, so it's hard to tell if it gave me a glow underneath it, but I will definitely use it again and try it with the Estee Lauder Double Wear because that one is more matte. But it didn't really fill in any pores, but I don't think it's supposed to do that. I'm pretty sure it's just to help give a glow. Once again, I'm a sucker for products that have glow written on it. So I did like how it made my skin look before the foundation. So if you like a good glow, definitely give this a try. The second thing I tried was the Milani Supercharged Brightening Under Eye Tint. I'm not crazy about this just because I keep comparing it to my Tarte CC Under Eye Corrector. The Tarte one is thicker, so it helps to correct more than this. I feel like this is mainly just a brightener. So once again, if you don't have dark circles like I do, I think you would really like this because it did brighten underneath my eyes, and I did feel like it brightened underneath my Shape Tape as well. So I don't hate it, but I feel like it's just not for me, but I definitely will give it another try. Next is the Ofra highlighter. Highly recommend this. I absolutely love it. I mean, look at that. and it doesn't have any glitter, so it gives you a really pretty sheen, which I love. And this one is a really pretty gold color, and this is a lot of product. I think this is a little on the pricier side. I think that's why it took me so long to get it, but I feel like this is gonna last me forever. So love, love, love this, and it was super pigmented too, so highly recommend the Ofra highlighter. Next is the Tarte detailing pen. I loved this product. It's actually probably a tie between this and the Ofra highlighter as my favorite products out of all the ones I tried today, but it was just so easy to use. It looked really natural, and I definitely recommend this. I use the shade medium brown, and I don't think there's very many colors in this right now. I think there's maybe 3 or 4, and this is the second to darkest, and it is a really good color for me, so definitely recommend trying this. And then the last few products are the Buxom lip products. So they're not as tingly as I thought they would be, but it still did tingle a little bit, but it was more of like a mint feeling, if that makes any sense at all. The only thing is I'm not crazy about the color. The longer I wear it, the more I'm starting to like it. But I guess I just thought it would be a little bit more on the nude side than the pink. But I am excited to try the gloss by itself because I think it would be a really pretty just wash of pink for my natural days, which I have been doing a lot more lately. So really liked these two. And then the lipstick did tingle a little bit as well, which I kind of figured it would since it said a plumping lipstick, but I don't know, I just didn't know that they had the plumping lipsticks. It is a really pretty color, so if you like pink, then definitely get these, and they're not as tingly as I thought. But yeah, that is everything from my Ulta order except for that moisturizer and bronzer, but I will definitely be using those in a tutorial soon. Hopefully, if I can get that bronzer exchanged, I might just have to return it and pay the difference because I have been wanting to try it forever now. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this first impressions. Let me know down below in the comments if y'all have tried any of these products and what you think about it. But if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.